Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be doing something with my Lazy Susan again. I really like to see the stained glass effect that Kathleen Miller does on her channel. It's Pour Painting by Kathleen Miller, I believe is how her channel is. If you Google that or just search that in YouTube, her channel will come up. She's awesome. So this stained glass technique that she does, I'm going to give it a whirl. This is my second attempt at it, so we'll see how I do. I've got the white acrylic down on my 12 by 12 canvas. I've got it stuck on here, just hooked with the pins at the bottom. So it's easy to come on and off, but it won't fly off when I spin it. Alrighty, now for the exciting stuff, we have just got some, if you didn't see it in my previous video, 3D printer. Greg got himself one as an early Christmas present, and he's made me two awesome split cups, both of them with my channel name on them. Just love these to bits. Now if you're a paint pourer and you might want to have one with your channel name on it, this one is actually my favorite right here. Please email me and we'll see if we can work something out with you. We are going to have our website up and running shortly, but it's still work in progress right now. So email me at puddlesandpoursart@shaw.ca. If you would like to try and figure out a way to get yourself a split cup with your channel name on it. Now I think right now the plastic that he has for the 3D printer is a multicolor. So these two cups are actually made from the same spool of plastic. It's a rainbow effect of color, so you don't know for sure what color you're going to get until it's done printing. So I couldn't guarantee you which color you're going to get, but it would probably be a mixture, chances are. But anyways, just email me. Again, it's at puddlesandpoursart@shaw.ca if you would like to talk about getting a split cup with your channel name on it. Alrighty, that's enough of that. Let's start doing this. I've got all these ready to pour paints. They're from Michael's. I can show you a bottle of it just quickly here. It's this stuff right here. And what I've done is I've used this with about 2 or 3 tablespoons of Floetrol in it, just because I didn't feel like it was quite thick enough. So that's how my paints are mixed. And right about now there'll be a card coming up on the screen showing all the colors that I'm doing. The only color that isn't ready pour or ready mix paint is my teal, and that is done by Golden. And that is 40% acrylic and 60% Floetrol with a tiny dash of water. We're talking not even a teaspoon of water, just to thin it out a tiny bit. Okay, we are good to go here. I'm just going to start drizzling some paint down. It's going to look like a big mess, but trust me, it'll be beautiful when we're done. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And everybody that keeps coming back, thank you so much. It really does mean the world to me. I love all of the thumbs up, the comments. I try and answer everybody. So keep them coming, you guys. I really do enjoy all the interaction. Okay, blue's down. Now I couldn't even tell you for sure what these colors are. I just took a picture of it and I didn't mentally keep a note of it in my head, sorry. This is probably magenta-ish color. Sorry, that's bad. Hopefully the picture stays up long enough on screen you'll be able to catch all the colors. Okay. Now this is the golden teal. This is a new color for me. This is one that I saw on another artist channel that she did, and I thought, ooh, that teal is a beautiful color, so I figured I'd treat myself to some. Okay. Now this one's fuchsia for sure. Now, it definitely looks like a bit of a mess right now, doesn't it? Okay, and this one is coral. Okay, I think we're pretty good with color there. Now I'm going to take my white, which is just white acrylic, Sax. Just grab the bottle here. It's this stuff right here. And I mix this, again, 40% the acrylic paint, 60% Floetrol, and I put 3 drops of silicone in here just to help for a swipe. And I'm going to go right down the center-ish of my canvas here. Hopefully that's enough down to swipe with. We'll see. Now I go to the local paint store, Home Depot. I always grab these cards to try and figure out when I'm stuck for colors, what do I want to put together? They have these deco cards. And they're as thick as a playing card pretty much, cheap playing cards. But so I use these for an example for colors to use. And then I also use them for swiping. So there you go. There's a trick to having a tool to swipe with. Go to your nearest paint decoration store. Okay, I'm going to go right down the center here. Just lightly swiping the white. Oop. Lazy Susan's making it get away on me here. Okay. I'm loving the cells that are coming up right now. Okay, I'm just going to give it a turn. Now you'll see a couple of rivers going down in a couple areas. You just go back over that afterwards with a smaller piece of cardboard. Don't worry about that. I'm going to toss this and get myself a new card because it's getting kind of dampish. Okay. Now this is a perfect time to hit that subscribe button as I'm slowly swiping some paint. And that notification bell right beside it, hit that and you'll be notified of any future videos that I upload. That would be awesome if you did that for me. Boy, I almost want to keep what I have happening on my table here. It's very pretty. Okay. Now to grab a smaller card and just go through my rivers a little bit here. I'm going to do one right here. And a swipe right here. This one's got a little bit of a river that needs to get swiped. Now I'm going to be spinning this, so more paint will be coming off. Besides, this is art. It never has to be perfect, especially abstract art. That's the best kind. Okay, I'm going to swipe here. Right here. I think I need to do one more right there. And how about right here? Right on the end. This end needs a little bit of paint. Stealing some paint from a table, that's cheating. Okay. What do you think? Should I swipe right down the center? Why not, eh? I'm going to do it. Yep. Just lightly go right down the center. There we go. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now I'm going to wreck it. So I'm just going to grab my plastic chopstick and I'm just going to do a few little loop-de-loos and then we're going to give it a spin. I'm going to start right here. I think I'm going to keep them going in the same direction. So I'm just going to start here and do the same thing. And then I'm going to do one more right here. Okay, let's give this guy a spin and see how it turns out. Here we go. Sorry if I make you dizzy, but stick with me, okay? 1, 2, 3. Love my color choices. Okay, we're definitely going to be giving her another spin. Yeah, I'm going to go the other way now. Whoops. I don't know if that was hard enough to get paint flying off there or not. Let's see. Oh yeah, I see a few splashes there. Just about done here. Very pretty. Okay, one more good spin. There we go. Okay. Definitely got to figure out a better way to stop this thing. I'm just going to let it slow down. Perfect cells. I haven't even torched this yet, which I will be giving it a little bit of a torch. Okay. Getting the bubbles out and seeing what else we have for cells. Now one thing I would say, because I swipe with the white, it doesn't have the same stained glass effect look to it as it does with the black. The white, not so much. Love the painting though, it's gorgeous. But it's just not the same effect. Love how all of this, it's really nice. Okay, do I want to wreck anything? I think I want to draw a few lines through. Yes, I do. Not too many, just a few. I like to call it joining the cells. Connect the dots. And to me it looks more like floral when you connect them like that. It just makes sense to me. Right in the middle here is just wow. Looks like there's a little eyeball right here. I'm going to be running some color through there. There we go. Another little area that looks like an eyeball. Let's fix that. Okay. There is so much to look at in this painting. Oops. That I really don't think I'm going to do too much more to it. There's nothing else that's really jumping out at me that needs some attention. It's awesome. I'm not going to fiddle with it anymore. I'll lift it up and let you take a look at a close-up. There we go. Beautiful. Love it. All right, everybody. Thanks very much for watching. Make sure you stick around. Watch another video because guaranteed Greg will be putting up one of my favorites right now for you to watch. And make sure you hit subscribe. Come back and watch another video. Thanks again, everyone.